Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicwave.com. I'm making this small video about the pound index. Pound is gonna do something big very soon. So let's get started, right? Without wasting any time. So this is pound index chart, means it is an individual currency, pound. It's not a pair. You don't trade it. You just watch it so that you can determine that if the pound as an individual currency is getting strong to its all counterparts, or is it getting weaker. Obviously, if there's a good news or a good economy or maybe a good Brexit news, will make pound strong, and any bad news will make pound weaker. Now pound is on the left hand side in all the pairs except one. Euro pound is on the right hand side. So forget about euro pound for now, right? Think that it doesn't exist, right? So what will happen is that if pound gets weaker, right, means if pound index drop, pound is going to get weaker, and all pound pairs will be dropping because the pound is on the left hand side. And if any good news in the pound, if pound break this area and go to the upside, this is a very strong area here that is stopping pound from going to the upside. The monthly high is 63.16, and look, this is a Fibonacci reversal zone, right? And beautiful teal, it's stopping it. And it's not only that it's stopping it today the new candle started, but the week before hit the TL and stayed below. Week before that hit the TL, stayed below. Week before that hit the TL, stayed below. Right? They all closed below 63.16. So 63.16 is being defended big time for the last 3 weeks, and today the 4th week, and right now we are dropping. Okay, right now we are dropping, and all pound pairs are also dropping. Like I said, that must be right. So this is the chart that I made, and I gave it to my subscribers, and I'm gonna make this video public so that everybody else can be aware of what's happening, and get the benefit out of the situation. If like I said, if this continue, at least it's gonna drop back to this 50 to 60 area. Okay, because consider the harmonic pattern. If you consider this XAB, then C usually come back to 23% line, so that would be around 23% line, I guess. Let me just grab a new tool here. Yep. Okay, so 23% line is just below this, so we might be coming back here, and if bad news continue, we're gonna continue dropping. If maybe some good news happen, and if we have a deal in Brexit, we might go back up to 78% to make a Gertley, or maybe all the way up, God knows where. When the time comes, then we will see where we're gonna end up. But for now, I see a clear sign that 90% chance that it's gonna drop from here. And the technicals are there. It's now wait for the fundy and what happened. But if, like I said, the more chances are that the bad news is going to come out, and pound is going to get weaker, pound index is going to drop, pound is going to get weaker, and all pound pair will be dropping. Now take this out of the way, then what do we have? This chart is, I'll drop this. So now look, this is what's happening, right? So on my Magic IB system, this is pound index 33-minute chart. They both are 7-minute chart. What the heck? Pound index 7, and this is also pound index, but they are different. So hold on just a minute. Let me fix it. This is pound index 7 and 33. This is pound USD. What am I doing? Okay, this is pound index. So you see, it is all dropping, right? It's started already. So we can see here on this small time frame chart, my 7-minute chart, that it become bearish. It was bullish, right? Hit the TL here somewhere, we just saw. And what is happening now? It is becoming bearish, and then it's keep dropping. It's going up, retracing into the wave, making a short setup, beautiful short setup, and drop. So what is happening? Can you see? Pound USD also turned bearish. It was bullish. See this? The price was going up above the red line, and now all of a sudden, what happened? It's turning. This was, I didn't take it, but this was a beautiful setup, right? Short setup. I should have taken it, and I think I don't know if one of my EA has taken it or not. I'm gonna check. I have a EA that takes the trade for me, and I have it on one of other computer and one of the account. So now this one, and then look, this one is also dropping, and it is nicely bearish, a big time bearish actually, right? So this is pound yen, and then this one is also dropping here. So this one, all of these will give me nice beautiful setups later on to take, you know, the trade. Simple as that. And I'll be watching that index chart. Look, this one is just, you know, where this was a retracement, now it's coming down, right? So now I know that all of these, and whenever I get a good short setup, this was a good short setup here, this indicator is all the way up, is a short setup, okay? And then it's gonna drop here. That's how it is. Let me show you what kind of setups the short setup look like, my trades. If I can just quickly go, for example, last week, and then let's say this one, EA, for example, that's the short setup. You see this? This is a 20-minute chart, so I'm going to be watching 7-minute chart, and on my other computer, I have charts open, 20-minute charts. So any setup on the 20-minute chart or the 7-minute chart, then I'm going to take it. So this is how it is. It goes up, beautiful drop, goes up, staying below the wave. This indicates all the way up, short setup, boom, trade, right? And let me see if I can, this is long. So this, see, USD yen, short setup from 7-minute chart. These are the entries that I'm going to take when they're present, and they will. We have a long way to go to the downside. So this was a short setup, this was a short setup, and every time this indicates all the way up and the red blue candle turned red, the short setup, right? So this is what's going to happen. Let me close this one. This is what is it? Picture, okay. And right, so you got the idea that what's you know, clear setup here or here. I'm going to take it, and keep in mind that this weekly chart is the key right now. This pound index. If this dropping, everything is going to be dropping. Even pound CAD, pound NZD. Let me see if I have what I have here. Pound NZD. Yeah, pound CAD, pound Aussie, pound yen, and pound USD. All of these are right now dropping. So let's see if there, I don't know if there are any more news scheduled or not. Let me see what pound pound index 33-minute chart is doing. Here it is. So see this. This is I didn't fix this chart. It's kind of messed up, right? So, but yeah. It was like, see that it is on the sideways, because for last 3 weeks I'm telling you that we were just messing around just below the teal, right? And anytime it's gonna take off and start going to the downside. The very, very big key number is 61.27. If we go below that and then we keep dropping, and even 61.47, where the heck line is at? I lost the line. Here, let me just fix this. It's a big number as well. 47. Okay, so we go below that, and that's it. We're gonna be dropping. Okay, so forget about 50. The same number almost. Right. So this one and then this one. So we are here 62.53 and 62.33. We are fighting with that. We were fighting with that, and then we start to dip. Now you know the reason, because of the pound index. This is the pound index. And let me show you where these numbers are. These numbers are right here, 62.53 and 62.33. Okay, this is the chart before I made that. If we go below 52.60, we're gonna be dropping. If not, we're gonna be going to the upside. So what happened? We went all the way to the upside, and now, and after that, I said we're gonna drop. And this chart I made long time ago, actually 4th October. So this is what happened. We hit the TL, we hit this number, whoa, and okay, and then now this is much cleaner chart, right? And now good opportunity if it comes true and it start dropping, then you have a lot of trades in your hand and a lot of pivots to make, hundreds of pivots. I would say more than 1,000 in maybe a week or two. Be ready for that. Okay, so this is it for now, and that's it. So thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.